Well, I am doing my first giveaway, and before you get too excited, it's not brand new. It's this little baby here. It's a USB card. It's a 4-bay USB card. I've had it since 2018, Christmas, and it served me well, but I've upgraded to a newer one. I do not have the CD for this, but you shouldn't need it. You should be able to just download the driver. It should just plug and play. Works on a PC, has a PCI slot. Yeah, so if you know how to use one of these, you might want to enter the competition. I'm giving you the screws to go with it as well. But like I say, I don't have the original CD and I do not have the original box. So it will come in a different box. I am doing the postage, but I will only post in the UK. If it's outside the UK, you'll have to pay for postage. There's no guarantee with it, but as far as I know, it works. It worked in my computer until I took it out a couple of weeks ago, so it should be fine. There's no reason whatsoever why it shouldn't work. Like I said, I will post it anywhere in the UK for free, but outside the UK, you'll have to pay for postage. And if you're happy to do that, click on the link in the description and good luck. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks very much for watching.